Hi, here we are unboxing an EnGenius EWS850AP. Let's see what we have in the content. First, we open up the box, slip out the whole thing, and here you can see we have the quick installation guide, the unit itself, and here we have in the unit is actually they have the mounting for the network cable with the water retention or the waterproofing, and this is the mounting bracket, and we have a pair of 5 GHz antenna and a pair of 2.4 GHz antenna. And this is the earthing cable, the power cord, and a 54 volt PoE injector to power up the unit. And we have two holding for those piping, the mounting screw, the earthing screw, which is supposed to be mounted over to the side or over here as indicated for the earthing purposes to discharge all static. And this is the wall mounting screws. And here we go, this is the whole content that we have for the EWS850AP.